Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable location sharing in Google Maps. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now, if you're in Google Maps and you prefer to share your current location, maybe for an hour or the rest of the day, you can do so, which makes it really easy for anyone else to find you. Say if you're both in the same city and you're at the coffee shop, you can share that location or the parking lot location and they'll be able to find you exactly where you are. So let's hop into Google Maps here and we're going to tap on our profile icon at the top right. Now on here you can see midway down is location sharing. Let's just tap on that and hit share location. Now you can see it will have my current location here. I can choose for 1 hour. I can choose 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours or until I turn it off. And then all you have to do is go through this list and choose the specific person that you want to share that location with. And it will send them a text message that they can just click on the link. And it will send them a text message that they can just click on the link and then it will automatically share your location for that amount of time. Keep in mind, if you switch it to until you turn this off, don't forget to turn it off if you no longer want to share your location with that person anymore. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon in the next video.